What's up, guys? Welcome back to this not update, but kinda guys. I think it's yeah, so
Thank you. My name is Jose Vegas. Yeah, this is Maja, my good friend, brilliant brother.
yeah.
We are in Kihancha today. He just came over to see me,
Yes.
and I'm taking him to the site.
Yes.
Mining
And the
site.
site means
The site means,
the gold mine site.
yeah, the local gold mining site.
Yeah.
Here in Kihancha, we have some village that dealing with gold mining.
Yeah.
On my video, if you subscribe or you check in my channel, I've already earlier told you that I'm doing a script under gold mining.
Yeah.
So today Maja is here and we are heading there.
Yes.
Yeah.
So guys, if you're from my end, from this end, of course, Maja_KA, you know, positive vibes all the way. Kindly subscribe to Jose Vegas and let's support him to 1,000 subscribers. Share the video, tell a friend to tell another friend. Jose Vegas is here and is always positive, and we will always keep him positive. Yeah, because you know, guys, Maja_KA is always positive. And our second man here today,
Pope Africa. I'm the one riding today. Anyway, guys, welcome to Maja's KE channel, and I'm so grateful to be. You know, it has been a long time since I came here. I've been here for like 3 good years, but there's a very big change, and I really love the change. People are progressing, guys.
Yeah. Once again, I'm reminding you,
yes.
Jose Vegas, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
I'm very new in this family of YouTube.
Yes.
I hope you guys to welcome me.
Yes.
And thank for those who subscribe to my channel.
Yeah.
It's a long journey. I have almost 33 subscribers.
Yeah, that is
but I
great.
thank it's only for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
That's a very big step, and
Yeah,
I appreciate
very
guys.
big. Yes.
Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jose Vegas. Thank you so much.
Yes. And guys, this guy is a businessman also.
Yes.
He's a hard worker. He's a Gen Z also. Are you a Gen Z or
I think I'm a millennium.
Millennium.
A millennium, but
You don't want to be a Gen Z.
I've already passed there.
You should come
maybe,
to Gen Z.
maybe Pope, they are our
Pope.
neighbor. Pope is a good name.
Yeah, I'm a Gen Z.
Yeah. But anyway, guys, this is a businessman also. He does some good business. So if you watch his videos, you'll get to know what he does, and it's very good thing that you can learn from our village. That we have some people who are very hardworking and doing great jobs here, especially maybe if you have never seen that village life and deep down, like, you know, if you have never gone dug deep down and you walk from here Migori, you know, from here to Migori is how many kilometers?
Pope,
Around 20.
20 to 25 kilometers. 20 to 25
Yeah.
kilometers. Yeah. We have a junction there, down there we can see.
Yeah.
We have an indication. Yes. But you see this area now. Here is the center of local gold mining. Here we are now.
Yeah.
Because if you go this side on west is on east maybe.
Yes.
This is Carlos.
Carlos.
Yeah.
You know Carlos? There was a white man known as Carlos.
Carlos. Yeah.
Carlos was a white man who was doing maybe earlier
Mine.
1950 something years back.
Yes.
He was doing mining here.
Yeah.
So when the white man left, the name remained to be called Carlos. But they were meaning Carlos.
Yeah.
That's how that name became. Yeah.
So he was doing business here.
No, he was
Yeah.
doing gold mining.
Gold mining.
Yeah. They were the founder of the gold mining.
And of course, I think I know, or I believe this is the I think local village in our community that is known to be a gold mining, like,
Yes, for more.
yeah, for more.
So many people here, their source of income is gold mining.
Yeah.
Though it's under local mining.
Yes.
Yeah. But we are trying to improvise it for now.
Yeah.
We are coming with some smart technology to improvise it. You see, like those old people, they are using different generators.
Yeah.
But now we have some little technicians to apply on those pits.
Yeah.
Because you see, there are some pits
Yeah.
which are very deep underground, maybe 100 feet, maybe 200. So there is no way you take the old generator that is giving out the carbon dioxide, more oxygen.
Yes.
Yeah. So we have improvised nowadays. I think there is an episode people can check
episode
in my
on
channel.
his channel.
Yes.
That is Jose Vegas.
Episode 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jose Vegas. You can check it out, guys. Very nice content, and yeah, you get to learn more about gold mining in our village also, which is this is also a famous village known on gold mining. So my friend here is also he also ventured in gold mining, and that is what is it that is what gives you like food on the table or income.
Yes, it is the most activity that we do here, and for the living, this is what we are doing.
Yeah.
It's like where you go in a community, they have a cash crop.
Yeah.
But for us here, maybe our cash crop, the most one, is about gold mining.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's not about putting only food on table.
Yeah.
But even taking care of our families.
Yes.
School fees. You can see here people, they are taking their children to university level.
Yeah.
Yes, it's because of gold mining. Yes. And in gold mining, for now, we have almost 3 sectors.
Yeah.
We have the gold mining that people are going underground to dig.
Yes.
And they extract gold from the gold ore from underground.
Yes.
And then we have another sector whereby we take the leftover. After you take your old gold, you go and crush them. You have extracted that gold from that gold ore. There's something we call leftover. Leftover. In another name, they've been called senet.
Senate.
So if you take these senets and you take them to a certain plants which has been improvised, we call them CAL. Yeah. In those countries like Asia, they have we call them, there's a plant called CIP processing. So here we call them in a normal name leaching plants. Yeah, I'm taking it there and you can explain when we are there.
Yeah. So you can see
like
from
this
here,
one.
guys.
Yeah, like this one. Now this is these are senet. You see, they are working there. That is a leaching plant senet. Yeah. So those are the leftover. They are brought in here and then they process them. Yeah. And you see, they get more, they extract more gold than the first one. Yes. Because the first one, because it's being hand local. Yeah. Okay. They extract gold on 15% only. Wow. Only 15%. So you can imagine. So when you bring here in this leaching process, you will have to get at least 75%. That means you are the one who's going to get a lot of gold than the first one. Wow. But it's a bit expensive. But it's helping us for you can see like the other one is there. Yeah. There. Where we are going or where you are heading, you see that one up there. There is a building here. Up behind that building. Behind this building. Yes. And we have another one here, down here. You see that one? Yeah. There's another one coming from this one. You see. Yeah. So this area is located for the plants. A lot of plants are being located. This is the center of Carlos village. Amazing village.
So this is where Carlos was. Carlos, if you can watch us, we are here. I don't know if you're there.
It's a long week, maybe a long duration. Yeah. 1956 years. I think maybe it's not
1956. Yes. But I know we have your maybe
sibling members from there. Yeah. I think he was from UK.
UK.
Guy, yes. Wow. Now you can see. You see the hips.
Wow.
You see
Wow,
the hits?
wow, wow.
Those are hits from there.
I wish you can go there.
Yeah, you see like that one?
Yes. Oh, this is a hit.
Yeah.
So guys, we're here.
we are here now.
Yeah.
Down, down. Twende huko chini.
Yes. Twende.
Pole pole.
Pope, our Senke man, you know, the bike is off. Yes. The bike has
Soja.
gone off.
Boya mole.
Boya.
Mambo.
Okay. Mko poa?
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, this is the place. So, are we safe to record here?
Yes, you can pause, but
Yeah.
you can go on.
Yes. Yeah guys, so we are going to climb somewhere. It's very, I don't know if it's risky, but I'm told it's somehow not risky. So you can see how this is thin. Wait, Pope Africa. See, so we are going up
To me,
there.
it seems to be so
Yeah,
delicate.
so we are going up there, guys.
You see me?
Yes,
Hi,
that is
welcome,
where
come,
that
come
guys are there. So we are
want
going
to
to
keep
try
pushing
our best to climb this place. I don't know if I'm afraid, guys. And today I didn't show you my. This is called Kiondo here in Africa. So thank you for Nyangwe Gueta. He gave me this from Papua Guinea. Yeah. So guys, let's try this. Yeah. Hey.
How will we record here?
No, we will record from down
Down
here
one.
up there.
Okay.
Yes. So guys, we're going up. We are risking this, and this is somewhere very risky. You have to have a heart. You know, Pope Africa is afraid to come up here.
No.
We don't have a heart.
So it's
I
my
know.
camera.
Pope, do you hear me?
Yeah, you're visible.
So we are almost touched the sky.
Yes.
Look at that.
Hey. This place is height. Yeah. So here, guys. Hey, you can go in. Yo, guys, we are here. I don't know if you can see me. We are here, guys. Yeah. So, thank you.
This is the channel I was telling you about the CIP.
Yeah.
The system is on at CIP. I don't know, maybe you could take some pictures here. I don't know how.
Yeah, guys, we are up here.
Yes.
This is like a rooftop. Yeah, so you can see where we came from down here. So we are up here, and this is where we passed.
This is our ladder.
Our ladder.
Our ladder
Down there.
Yes.
Yeah, so we are here. So maybe you can explain to us what this is.
So I told you that in Karos here,
Mhm.
there are two different extractions in terms of gold.
Mhm.
So this is it was being used here. It's
Mhm.
called a CIP system,
Yeah.
extracting the gold. And as you can see here, we have the
Guys, see where we are
our
standing.
lab technician.
Yes.
Yeah, let him say hi to these guys.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hi, how are
He's
you?
our lab technician.
Yeah.
His name is Paul.
Uh-huh.
In fact, he was here when this thing was being constructed. This guy, so he can tell us more about this one, how this system is being worked.
Yeah.
Yes. Paul.
Yeah,
And next,
Paul.
what is this now inside here?
This is a column whereby we used to place the leaching chemicals
Mhm.
plus the tailings. Then, as you can see, there's a whole pipe here.
Yeah.
This is where we used to pump oxygen.
Mhm.
Oxygen using air compressor. And then
Yeah.
the solution used to rotate.
Mhm.
And then we have a fine mix here, which is then released to the lower tank. As you can see, there's
Oh,
a
this tank.
in it.
Down
There,
there.
this filtration used to take place there,
Mhm.
and then the filtrate that goes down there contain gold, which is then reabsorbed.
Gold.
Yeah,
Yes.
the gold in a solution form, which is then reabsorbed using active carbon. Yes.
So between this system,
Yes.
CIP system, and this the CIL.
Yeah.
How do we call that?
Yeah.
CL.
Yeah. Carbon collar.
Carbon.
Carbon collar.
Yeah.
And this is the CIP.
CIP.
So between this one and the other one, which is cheaper? Because me, I've never used this one. I'm using this one.
Oh, that
Yeah.
one, the other one.
Yeah, the other one. Because this one was being
Okay.
used by my uncle.
Mhm.
This place was owned with my uncle.
CIP is a bit expensive in terms of running cost, but the extraction is more higher. So the
efficient.
efficiency of production is roughly 95 to 98%. But with the local one, the extraction is just averagely 75 or below. So production using that CIL, that's carbon column, is much more cheaper, but the production is always low.
So this is the best one to use. If one is
This
well
one is
equipped,
expensive,
Mhm.
but is the best.
it's
Oh, expensive but the
the
best.
best. You hear?
So,
Yeah.
we can say
Yeah.
the cheaper. How is that word like?
The cheaper, the
cheap-
low productions of gold.
Yeah.
Okay. The cost one, the higher production of gold.
Yeah.
Because he's saying using this one, you can extract gold 95% to 98%.
Yeah.
Using the local one,
Yes.
which is the leaching.
That one, yes.
That one,
Mm.
you can extract gold at around 75%. So this is the best one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the best,
best one.
but very expensive.
Very expensive
Wow.
because it needs electricity. I think so.
Electricity,
An air compressor.
air compressor, and the rotating turbines that you use to make sure that the solution is well mixed in the tailings.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
We
Guys.
found you now. We got
Wow.
you now. We catch you now. You guys, you can see how these things being run here in this
Yeah.
village,
Mhm.
and everybody here is depending on this system, this
Yes.
process.
Mhm.
This is what is giving us something to put on table.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
And-
guys,
and-
to support us.
Yes,
Yes.
of course. And-
Manja, he has never been here.
I've never been
This is
here
the
for
first
sure.
time.
Yeah. Yeah.
And,
Yeah.
I've tried to take him here
Yeah.
to explain to him so that he can catch up.
Yes. Maybe sometime I can maybe
can invest
venture
over
into investing here.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a good business and yeah, very good business. So and it's also near the road. This is the main road, yeah.
Yeah, the main road from Kiancha town
Yeah.
to Migori.
To Migori.
But also it's going to up to Masai Mara.
Wow.
Yeah, this road.
From here.
From here you can go up to Masai Mara. So one day,
Mm.
I told you we have to go to see one of my friend in Lolgorian.
Yeah, yeah,
Lolgorian
sure.
is in the next town
Mhm.
to Masai Mara.
Wow.
So one day I'll take you.
So I think we should plan and go for
Yes.
maybe an adventure.
Adventure.
So guys, if you want to join us, very soon we will be telling you if you are coming, and you will watch also his video. Kindly subscribe to his video,
Yes.
Jose
Jose
Vegas,
Vegas.
and yeah, like, share,
Share.
tell a friend to tell another friend to subscribe to Jose Vegas. Yeah, amazing content will be coming from here, guys. If you don't know gold, if you have never seen gold, if you have not seen Senate, you will be seeing it from his channel, from this place, guys. See how this place is. Like you told me, this is gold.
These are soil.
These are the raw material for
Raw
used
material
to
for
produce.
To produce gold.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
like-
guys, here we have a very good like
Yes.
sunlight coming from that side.
Yeah. It's
And,
almost to sink now.
Yeah.
The sunset. It's
Yeah,
going-
sunset is
Yes.
going down, guys. See how beautiful that is.
Yes.
Yes.
So I think
So-
we go down and we try to know what is going down there.
Yeah.
For that, another system.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go, guys.
It's very
So-
risky. So Paul, I
Yeah. So guys, we have another also store here. This is a system. So maybe you can explain to us and show us how it works and everything works around here.
so as I told you,
Yeah.
Jose Vegas.
Mm-hmm.
let me show. In this site, we're having a laboratory. There is no way you can run these things without a laboratory, because everything inside here must go for the test and analyzing.
Yeah.
So we go inside. I show the laboratory with our lab technician.
Lab
I told you these are
technician,
our lab technician.
Yes.
Very impressive guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, we're in here. This is the lab now.
This is a lab now.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So how does it work?
This is a laboratory whereby we do analysis.
Yeah.
We do test for the gold
Mm-hmm.
to see whether there is gold or no, and also determine the amount of chemical we are supposed to use.
Yeah.
As you can see here, we have a very elaborate laboratory, well equipped with all the reagents and the chemicals.
Yes.
As I've told you, we have the chemical used for leaching. And
Leaching.
Leaching. That's gold leaching. And we also have chemical used for laboratory. This means that for testing and doing analysis. So you can see here, we've got cyanide, sodium cyanide. This is one of the major chemicals used for
Sodium.
sodium cyanide. This is the major chemical used for leaching. As you can see here, we have hydrogen peroxide. Yes, hydrogen peroxide.
20 liters. Yes.
We have hydrogen peroxide.
Yeah.
And here we have what we call the
Lime.
lime. That's calcium hydroxide.
Yes.
Yeah, we've got calcium hydroxide. And we also have sodium hydroxide somewhere.
I think this one.
Yeah, sodium hydroxide. Just hidden. Yeah.
I think
This
we,
one.
yeah, we left it.
Yeah, well, that is a very corrosive chemical.
Yeah, we used it but left something.
Those are the chemicals that are used for gold leaching. And this is the carbon. These are used. This is not new but used one. This is the carbon. What we call carbon.
This is the carbon.
Activated carbon. This is the one that is used to reabsorb gold. So as you can see here, this is my laboratory.
Yeah.
You can get a better feel of it. So here we have chemical used to test for the presence of gold in gold solution. You have got the chemical known as zinc dust. Zinc dust. You have got another one known as tin metal. Tin metal. I've got another one known as potassium iodine. And we have got silver nitrate. But for safety, we have got what we call sodium thiosulfate. This is the antidote. As I've told you that the chemical used here are very toxic.
They are very corrosive.
In case of ingestion,
You should be aware of that.
in case of ingestion
Very
at
corrosive.
an accident,
Yes.
this is the one that used to neutralize the effect of the poison. This is an antidote known as sodium thiosulfate. So here what you do, this is a puree. I can show you just a small demo.
Yeah, we can do a small demo.
As you can see here, if you want to measure the amount of the quantity of cyanide in solution, quantity of cyanide in solution, this is what we call on mineral terminology you call it ppm, but in other scientific terms you can call it concentration.
You even have a board here.
Yes.
So this is
This
for
is a board, as you can see.
guys.
We have a board
We have
here.
aqua.
Yeah.
Those are formulas, I think.
These are formula.
These are formulas.
These are
Oh.
formulas.
You see, Med, you see, I think this is a pure chemistry.
Yeah,
Chemistry,
Yes,
yes.
this is pure
Of
chemistry.
course, you know, when I saw the board, I was like, I'm going back to high school, guys. yeah.
This is pure chemistry is being applied here.
Yeah.
There is no way you can do any
So
system
as
here
I've
without
told you,
that.
this is not
Wow.
a local. This is done scientifically.
Yes.
Anything
Is-
under proper analysis,
Yes.
we use it in qualitative quantities. We don't just estimate, approximate how
Yeah.
much. We have a weighing scale. This one,
Yeah.
this one is the one that they use to measure the the weight of a given chemical, because here we have to go with the exact measurement.
Yes.
If you need 5 kg, you have to
measure.
At no time should you use arbitrary figure just to for leaching. You have to come with a proper measurement. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you may be wondering, what is this?
Yes.
See this?
Yeah, of course.
This was being used in this system of our
This
CIP.
is a carbon column.
Oh, yeah. Now I get from this point, guy.
From that point,
where we were. Yeah.
this carbon was being,
This is a carbon column.
Oh.
This is where we-
Yeah.
but in the other system, the column is different. Yes.
Pope Africa.
Yes.
You have been here and there.
Yeah, you know.
He was afraid to go up
Why?
there.
Pope, why?
No.
You have an heart
That
attack.
point, that point is very.
Guys, we were up
Very
there. See the
we reached
sunshine.
up there.
Yeah, we
Yes.
reached.
So
And yeah.
So I think that is our laboratory.
Yeah.
Everything is being done scientifically. And here is Mr. Paul, is our lab technician. Without him, there is nothing I'll do inside here.
Wow.
Yeah. I appreciate him too much.
Mr. Paul, thank you so much and good work.
Thank you, welcome.
Yeah, thank you so much. So
We
I think-
can go to this system.
Yeah.
Paul, you have to accompany us. We have so many questions to ask you, Paul.
Yes,
Because you see, my work here is to bring this raw material. When everything has been brought here, another work I leave for Mr. Paul. Okay?
Yeah.
So guys, you see, like today, I came here earlier with Mr. Pope.
Yeah.
This material was there.
Oh, right
Yeah, was
there. Yes.
So I had
Yes.
to hire some small excavator, a JSB, and he helped me to push to this
Oh,
side.
to push to this side.
Here we are preparing to dump this product inside there, inside the tank. So I think we can go inside there and we explain.
Yeah. So we passed through here. Pope, you are lost.
You can
Here.
start here. You see, this one already has been processed.
Oh,
This one.
yes.
We have already processed this one and we finish it. And we have to dump another one.
Yeah. So you are not, guys, you are not like, I was told, you are not like, we have some sun from this place. So you are not allowed to touch this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You can touch this, but you have to wash your hand before you leave from this site because it contains some chemicals.
Chemicals,
Yeah,
yes.
and it's very coarse.
And this one?
This one is fresh.
So this one is fresh.
Very
You can
fresh.
touch.
You can touch, you can sleep here, no problem.
No
You
problem.
can even test with your
Hey.
this one is a fresh. Now according to the lab technician,
Yeah.
this raw product, it contain a ppm of gold, maybe
Oh.
6.5. 6.5.
6.5, guys. So this is gold. I have to go with the small home. Can you give me
I can
small?
give you maybe small.
Yes.
Don't take too much.
Yes, not too much, small. Yeah.
So you see,
Wow.
the machine helped me to put this one inside here.
Yes.
You see? Then
Yeah.
tomorrow there are some guys will come here and try to help this one to come this side. You see?
Okay.
Because the machine could put all, but there are some lime. The lab technician told you the lime is used as a catalyst or what?
Just to neutralize the because these tailings have got there's some acid.
Inside here.
Acid inside here.
Yeah, ferric acid, mineral acid.
Mineral acid.
So we use that lime, that's the calcium hydroxide, to neutralize. So for the cyanide to work better, the solution must be neutral. Anything must be neutral.
So the main work of the lime is to neutralize
Yeah, to neutralize
the materials what? The
material used for leaching,
yes.
and at the same time stabilizing the pH and also preventing the loss of cyanide. That's what we call it. We have what we call the oxidation. So the lime inhibit oxidation of the cyanide.
You know that is a very pure chemistry. I told you before.
Yeah.
You
And
get
are you a
in-
teacher? Are you a teacher? By profession, like chemistry teacher? Because the way you're explaining, it's like you
see
are a
people, they
teacher.
say-
Are you a teacher?
No,
He's not a teacher,
not a teacher.
but he passed somewhere. He's well educated.
Yeah. I can
You see
hear
that
from him here.
Those language, they belong to somewhere.
It's not watering.
Yes.
Hey, guys, we are learning some things here. So
So after putting all these raw product inside here, there is a long process that is being taken here. Very long process.
Yeah.
Yes, after putting all this product inside here, we call it in our local, it's cyanate.
Cyanate. Yeah.
When you say cyanate, everybody understand it.
Yeah.
Yes. But those one who are upstairs, I don't know.
Call it tailings.
A tailings. My lab technician is telling me is a tailings. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you may wonder what are these pipes are doing here.
Yeah, these pipes.
This pipe.
guys, yeah.
After putting all this raw material inside here, Paul, the lab technician, is mixing. I'll take you down there. He will mix up those chemicals you see inside there, and then it will turn to be a solution, water solution, and then we'll bring it here by pumping them with a generator. So these pipes, they are being connected up to down there to the barren, that chamber, big chamber.
Yes.
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 So we can go down there.
This guys, this place is very risky, but yeah.
Hey, don't fall down, don't fall down,
Yeah.
don't fall down, don't fall down.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see this place, how does it look?
Yes.
Yeah. This is the waste product. I finished to process it last month.
Yeah.
Before I go and bring and buy this one.
So this one doesn't have gold.
It has. It has some.
You have to give me some, my friend.
Okay, no problem. After finishing this one, before I go to the to process the gold, I have to dump this one once. I will get maybe 100 grams from this one.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So the lab technician, you see these holes, this one, he dug here and there. He took some sample and he did his analyzing.
Yeah.
He analyzed it.
Oh,
and
you have to take some samples.
Yes. So that you know what kind of chemical you use and under which measurement. So after finishing this one, we'll take this one back, then we go.
Oh.
Yeah, because it shows it has some particle of gold inside here.
Yeah, guys, I hope you're learning something from this video, guys.
Yes.
I hope you're learning something.
Yes.
And kindly subscribe so that you can get more videos of this good advice or good videos of gold mine here from him, Joseph Vegas.
Don't
subscribe.
forget, Joseph Vegas.
Let's go now and check on. We are going to.
This is the main processing chamber.
Yeah.
This one.
Yes.
That's why you find there's some steel doors there.
Yeah.
Because that one is everything for us. If you break there and you go inside there, you'll take everything, my friend, and
Wow.
I'll go lost. So
Let's go and see it. Yes.
Bobe, let's go.
Pope Africa. Yeah.
I'm wondering. I'm really wondering.
You're wondering and you are here.
Yeah.
Like for.
It's different from this system.
Yeah.
You see? This is one tank
Mm-hmm.
for this system, but this system has 3 tanks. You see?
Oh.
This tank belongs to that system. If you remember.
Oh
what we
yeah,
talked-
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
The old one.
Yes.
But you remember we said this is the most efficient one.
Exactly. Yes.
Now we move to this one because this one is cheaper. to
This
run.
is cheaper. Yeah.
Very cheap to run.
Yes.
So you see, this area we have inside that
Oh,
tank.
the pipe has come
inside
like.
that tank we have inlets. Inlet pipes
And
outlet
outlets.
pipes.
Yeah.
The up one is the outlet pipe. The inlets they are lying here. They are passing through this area. You can see here. We made a very good
Oh.
structure. This one.
This one.
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
Yeah.
So inside here, the pipe coming. The inlets they are coming this way.
Yes.
Okay. So we are going to see
This house.
this
what
house.
it has.
This house. It's a gold house.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So guys.
all those solutions they come here, and inside here we trap the gold. So follow me. Let's go and check.
Let's go and check, guys. Oh wow, I hope you'll enjoy this video because I'm enjoying it so much.
So before you go there,
Yes.
that is our tank.
Uh-huh.
We call it a barren.
Barrel.
Yes, barren. The barren is where Paul making his all chemicals.
Oh, so we have some chemicals here.
Yeah. So before you go there, let's go inside here.
Yes.
Yes, and
Are we supposed to have mask?
no. For now, there's no chemicals inside here.
Okay.
Guys, Paul, in a simple language, how do we call this?
These are carpet chamber. Carpet chamber. Here is the column where we place carpet column. And this where here these are small hole beneath.
You know this thing is very
What
tricky
comes
here.
here goes down and
You
comes
see these
out.
pipes? You see those pipes? Those are inlets from the tank.
Oh yeah.
These are the
They
ones
collect
connecting
the solution from the tank. They bring here. So this is the first chamber for this column, and they are very unique. Very unique. The water flows inside here. It will not come upwards. It will go down, and it will come upwards from this chamber. So it's coming here,
Then comes sink.
downwards.
Oh.
It's coming here.
So we have in every
hole.
box here.
Yes.
There's a hole.
There's a
Like
hole.
going here.
And why is it that way?
Mm-hmm.
This is the collection chamber.
Yes.
That carbon you saw there inside that store, this is the collection chamber. That carbon is being kept inside here. Yes. So the solution with the gold will come here, and it will come out through that carbon. Okay.
Yeah.
So the carbon will be able to trap that gold. So any solution passing this chamber,
Yeah.
it's not supposed to come with the gold. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Am I okay? Am I alright,
Yeah.
Paul? Is that how that thing works?
Yeah.
So any solution from this chamber to this chamber.
Oh, this chamber to this chamber.
Yeah.
Yes.
I hope you are getting something here.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry guys, my camera was loaded, so but we are okay now. We are going on.
Yes. So I told you this is the first chamber, second chamber, third chamber,
Third
fourth
chamber.
chamber, fifth chamber.
Yes.
The first chamber is to, you see this water when it's coming there.
Yeah.
It has a lot of gold. This water. This one.
A lot of gold.
Yes. You cannot see it because it's under solution.
Oh.
So when the water passes here,
Mhm.
the carbon, it's absorbed the gold. So the water which is coming here, there's no gold. So, but in some
Oh
cases,
yeah.
in some cases, you may have a product which is very rich in gold, and maybe you put here 400 kgs of carbon. It's not enough to trap that gold. So it will need you to add some carbon in this chamber.
Okay, this chamber.
So the water comes from here, it will go down, okay, and then it will come up. The carbon will absorb the gold. So this one is a collection chamber outside.
Okay.
This one.
Oh.
This is the outlet.
Oh yeah, we have the
You can
pipe
see the
here.
pipe here. This is the outlet to that barrel, the bigger chamber. So that this water going outside there, it only has the chemical, because we have to reuse that chemical. Remember, this water is draining. If you have to pump to top up water there.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Maybe three times, 4 times per day, depending on the quantity of the gold inside the product.
Wow.
Yes. And this one is the store.
Oh,
Inside here.
store,
the
yeah.
Chemical store.
Hey, we don't want to go in.
You don't want to go there.
Yeah.
So guys, I hope you are learning.
Yes.
You are learning from these sessions.
Yes.
Yes. And now this is the bigger chamber we have here.
Yes. Yeah, I was told guys not to go near here or touch the water, so
This
yeah.
is the bigger chamber. This is where all chemicals are being mixed inside here, as Mr. Paul told us.
Yeah.
So those water coming from there, from the tank up
Yeah.
here. I think that is the line.
Oh, the lime.
Yeah, you can see the lime is still there, inside there. So this is the collection chamber and the tank, the bigger tank for us here. Because this water is being recycled. Yes, it's being recycled.
Oh.
Yeah, it's being recycled.
Yeah.
So guys, I hope you've learned something.
Yes.
Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, Jose Vegas. Today Macha has learned a lot of things.
Ah, a lot.
He has never been this place.
I've also learned
You have
a lot of
been
things.
Pope, but Pope
Even
today-
Pope was here, but now he's like.
Yeah. Have you understand something
Yeah,
here?
yeah, I've
Yeah.
really learned a lot, and
Yeah.
it's a good experience.
Yes.
It's a very good experience. And
Yeah, because of light. Yes. Mhm.
So what have you learned, man?
A lot of things.
Yes.
Like I didn't even know we have chemistry in gold. So I didn't know even we have a teacher in
so
chemistry.
Majo was thinking that you dig and you find gold.
You dig, you find gold. Then.
No,
Here in
it's
our
not.
So
place.
I have learned also that Senate has some gold there,
Yeah.
and he promised me to give some.
Yes.
Some yes.
One day I'll give you a call. when I go to process, I'll take you there.
Yes.
Yes, Paul, you can go with this guy here, down there.
Yes.
You go and see the
Process.
Because
The process
production of gold is a long process.
Yeah.
Yes.
From one step to another.
Yeah.
This is leaching. We have the process in their illusion whereby you're able to extract to remove now gold from the carbon. Yeah. That one we have to use machines.
and
That
two
is the
big
old-
heat
yeah,
down there.
That is the final stage.
Yeah.
After here,
So this
Paul,
is our chemistry teacher here in Goal.
he's called Mr.
I
Paul.
think
Mr. Paul,
it
yes.
can be better if we make a next episode of showing the final.
Yeah.
process.
Of course, that is coming,
Yes.
guys.
Yeah, the next
From
episode.
maybe you can watch his video or my video. Episodes are coming. He will be showing you the processes.
But
And,
that will
I
take
will-
us. Will
Can-
take us
can we
maybe 2
three-
weeks. 2 weeks to 3 weeks to go to the final end production.
Yeah.
I'll be showing them. You'll be coming showing them how
Yeah,
this
sure.
process is being going on.
Yes.
At the final day where we're taking the carbon to the elution plant. This is a plant of leaching.
Mhm.
We have a elution plant
Yeah.
whereby you'll go and eliminate the gold from the carbon. That is a different plant.
Yes.
Very technical. You go there, wow, what is this? But I'll take you there.
Yes.
So guys, follow our channel for better
Yeah.
learning.
Knowledge and learning about gold.
Sure.
So guys, we really want to say thank you so much. It's getting late and we are going back to the village Nyabohanse.
Nyabohanse.
And I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly for supporting us, for supporting especially Maj_KE. And we always say where we touch, we leave a mark, guys. Let's leave a mark here.
Yes.
And let's take him to 1,000 subscribers. We will really appreciate.
Sure.
And I hope you will be positive.
Very positive.
Yeah, and
I know
very
it's
educative.
It's a long journey,
Yes.
and I'm here. I know you know what you told me.
Yes.
You inspired me,
Yeah.
and
Sure.
I'm promising you to
Yeah,
be
thank
very, very positive.
Yes.
Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for coming. Don't miss the next episode.
Yes.
Coming very soon.
Coming very, not
Very
even very soon. Maybe even tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Or next
Yes.
day.
You know what I've loved with Jose Vegas? He's very fluent. Like
Yeah,
I
very
really
fluent
love how
and very
Oh,
educated.
I'm
You-
very. My
you-
English is very
You
fluent.
are very fluent, my
Thank you,
friend.
guys.
Yes,
I never
yes.
know that.
Yeah,
I never
yeah,
know
yeah,
that. Yeah.
So
But
guys, all in all, maybe your last words.
my last word to my audience is I'm very new here, and I urge you guys to welcome me in YouTube channel. And I'm under being guided with Maja and Bope. They are very good friend of mine. They encouraged me. So guys, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's a journey. Now I'm 30k subscribe 33
Yeah.
subscribers.
33.
We have a journey of 1k subscribers.
Yeah.
I think this can be happen maybe short time.
Sure.
Yeah. If the audience love this video, please subscribe to me, and may God bless you. Thank you.
Peace and love. Peace and love always,
and
guys. Until our next video, keep on watching, subscribing. Also subscribe to Pope Africa as
Africa, guys.
always.
Thank you, guys.
Until our next video, guys.
I wanna
Peace
say
and live.
love.
Yeah.